Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. Today we're going to talk about the exterior of your home and how, while you might see something that looks like minor that could be repaired and you kind of put it off, we're going to talk about why it's really urgent to have it checked out sooner than later. We had a client contact us. They were noticing some damage around the soffit area of their home and the underside of their overhang of their roof for their porch, their second story deck. And this is what they'd been noticing. So we've got a splotch of paint that's peeled off. And then on the underneath side, they noticed this big crack. We got out there and realized that while it looked minor, we thought it didn't look too bad. You can't see everything until you start tearing things apart. Well, once we did, we realized there was a lot more damage there than what either the homeowner thought or what we thought. Remember, that soffit is the material underneath the eave that connects the edge of your roof to the exterior wall of your house. And they're normally vented. They're on the underside of your porch roof also. It's a protective covering that beneath the sheathing and the rafters and helps prevent mold and wood rot to that area of your home. Then that fascia area is the vertical finishing edge attached to the the edge of the roof of your home, and it protects it against the wind, the rain, keeps insects and critters, yes, I said critters, out of the attic, and no one wants critters in their attic. What a mess that could turn out to be. So soffit damage really can affect your rafters. It exposes them to moisture, which can lead to mold and wood rot. So you don't want to wait. It's really kind of urgent that you get that looked at, because while you might not see any damage, you're just seeing a little bit of peeling paint, some cracks. Most likely there's damage that's a lot worse behind there. What looks minor on the outside is not always minor on the inside. So once we delved into this project, look here, we've got a crack going on there, and we've got wood rot and moisture. This side of the porch, there was a big bird's nest underneath there. You didn't even know it was there. We've got moisture again, mold, wood rot going on. I felt really bad for our client because the other side had the same stuff going on. We've got a nest over here, got more wood rot. Everyone was surprised. We felt badly for our client because it became a very expensive repair. So this is just a reminder. Make sure you're regularly checking your eaves, your soffit, the fascia on your home. And if you see something, don't hesitate. Don't wait. It's urgent. Contact someone and have it looked at. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like it, share it with a friend, and I really appreciate it if you would leave a comment or a question below. Makes my day when I get a comment or a question. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Annie Good. It's my pleasure to bring value and insight to your projects each week.